honey vlogs, and welcome back to a new episode on the Princess Pink channel. Today we're going to be unboxing our Tiny Hub Club box. This is our subscription box from Sugar and Sloth. I'm so excited as I heard that the theme for this box is cows in cardigans. So adorable. I'm so excited. We have a little sticker on here. If you have a little look, it says, "This tiny magic frog has blessed your day." And there's a little frog at the bottom. How cute. Oh my gosh. I love the little details on these boxes. It's just so shiny and rainbow and happy. We're going to be getting directly into this box. Of course, it has been undone for me, so everybody has already kind of seen what's inside except for me, but it means that I can get in there easily. So let's get in there. Okay. Oh, look at this. It says "You are amazing inside and out." Oh my gosh, on the little box. So cute. I love how all of these boxes have wonderful messaging. Okay, let's get in. So, immediately I'm finding these amazing... Oh my gosh, look at this keychain. Oh my god. Okay, alright. So, this little keychain, and it says, "I've got this probably" on it. The little cow is wearing a bunny hat. Or is that a koala hat? Oh my gosh, so cute. And it's like this rubbery material, which is perfect for my eater bags. So very excited to get that on the go. I'm a bit of a decor girly, so I kind of put all of these accessories on my personage and on my bags and stuff. Shall we go for the package next? Let's go for the package next. I love the little sloth with the froggy on the top. Look at him. So cute. So we'll just unfurl this, and oh my gosh, it's so cute. And it says, "Sorry, I can't, I don't want to." Oh my gosh, what a mood. Let's get this closer so you guys can see, but oh my gosh, it's so sweet. Oh wow, that's adorable. And look at these little heart fastenings on the back, question mark. Are they like fastenings? Are they like pin covering protectors? I can't remember. I don't. Of course, we have our literature from the Tiny Hug Club. It says "Cows in colourful cardigans" at the top there. And on the back it has all of our different details. And of course, Anita's name down the bottom, who created Sugar and Sloth. We have our card, our second card. I've actually bought a folder for these cards, so we're going to be creating a file for them. So yeah, we'll be doing that very soon. You guys will be able to see that on the channel when we make it happen. Yeah, let's have a good yap session, do that. Oh my gosh! Look at this sticker. Oh my gosh! Okay, it's super thick, and it says, "I have anxiety, but I am being very brave about it." Oh my gosh, look at this postcard! It says, "My feelings and experiences are valid, even if they're not understood." That's so sweet. Oh, it's one of those postcards with the back! Oh, so this is the ones that you send back to people, so that you can get one. I've got 2 of these already, and I would like to send this again. I would like to do this. I need to do this. Wow. Look at this notebook. Is it a notebook? Wow, this is incredible. It says, "Forced to work, born to dilly-dally." Oh my gosh, it's a bullet journal. And there's let me show you, a cute little cow down the bottom here. Oh my gosh, look how adorable. So sweet. Oh my gosh. Wow, and all of the pages are the same. I haven't got anything specific. Here's the text down the bottom. It says, "A recycled paper notebook designed by Anita and printed in the UK that makes it special just like you." Oh my gosh! That's so sweet. I love stuff like this. I haven't got anything to put in it yet, but I need to think of something. I'll think of something. Perfect. Oh my gosh, so the calendars are for each box. Amazing! We got this last time with the goth theme, and this time It's the same message that was on the sticker. Oh my gosh, and it's colouring. I ran out of colouring to do, so this is good. I'm enjoying it. It's so pretty. I just love all of the cute imagery, the little star and the little cardigan. We can make it fuzzy and pink. Oh my gosh. Oh my word, look at this print. Wow, that's really thick. Wow, okay. So yeah, look at that. For personal reasons, I shall no longer be participating in society. I feel that. I could put that up on my wall. I love the little background on this, the rainbow and the skateboard. Oh my gosh, so cute. I just love the shininess of all of the imagery. It's so nice. I love that. So interesting, so different. So yeah, oh, altogether, fantastic. So yes, this is the entire set of everything that we got in the box, and I would say a 10 out of 10, a really good recommendation for this box. I enjoyed it particularly. I would love to have cows and cardigans again as another theme, but I do know that we have lots of very exciting themes coming up, so this is what we have currently. I just love it. It's so bright and cheerful. I love the stickers and everything. Just so cute. Of course, if you would like your own box, there'll be a link in the description for you to sign up to the waitlist. And of course, Anita and the team are fantastic. A big thank you to them for making this box possible for us to purchase. So yes. Well, thank you all so much for coming with us today on this wonderful little adventure, and hopefully we will see you all again next time. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye!